Hospitality and tourism isn't just an industry, it's a world of opportunity, adventure, and success. With the Qualifi Level 3 Diploma in Hospitality and Tourism Management, you can turn your passion into a global career. Qualifi is an awarding body that is recognized and approved by Ofqual to develop and award qualifications delivered by Inspire College of Technologies UK, a directly approved training center of Qualifi. This qualification is trusted worldwide and offered through our advanced learning management system, giving you access anytime, anywhere. This qualification consists of 4 mandatory units and 360 guided learning hours. This diploma builds the foundation for your future in hospitality and tourism. This course is perfect for individuals new to the industry, professionals seeking career advancement, career changers ready for a fresh start, students aiming for higher education in hospitality and tourism. Gain a qualification that opens doors worldwide. Inspire College empowers you with knowledge, confidence, and global recognition. For registration or more information, please visit www.inspirecollege.co.uk or www.ictqual.co.uk. Call us on 442-035-764371 or WhatsApp us on 44744139671. Email us at info@ictqual.co.uk.